viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a very healthy and diet recipe for breakfast, which I prefer calling it as overnight oats. This is one of my favorite breakfast recipes, and I bet if you try it, it is going to become yours too. But before moving on, my today's video is sponsored by Premium Gen Hemp Gummies. So this is the hemp gummies which I have received. These are strawberry flavored and it has 60 gummies in one pack. Hemp seeds are grown in organic farms in Australia and hence are very safe to consume. These gummies are also vegan friendly and they are becoming a popular supplement choice in Australia in the recent days. Premium Gen is voted one of the top hemp manufacturers in the world and their gummies are really becoming very popular. So I thought of giving it a try, and I do have a coupon code for y'all which is 25 Lisa, which I'll pop in here, and a link in the description box below as well. So now let's move on to our recipe. So friends, now let us look into the ingredient list for overnight oats. My first ingredient is of course oats, and here I have exactly 1 cup of it. Next I have 1 cup of milk, but you can alternate it with soy milk, almond milk or any milk of your choice. Half cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Next we need is cinnamon powder, about 1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, but you can increase or decrease it according to your taste. And finally, today I am going to top up my overnight oats with some mixed berries. I am using some frozen berries. To prepare it, I am taking my glass bowl, but you can make it in a mason jar or any bowl of your choice. To start off, I'll first pour my oats into the bowl. Today I'm using some quick oats, but if you want, you can go in for rolled oats also. Next, I'm going to spread in the chia seeds. Chia seeds are very high in antioxidant. Next, I'll pour in the milk. I'll gently mix the oats with the milk. Next, I'm going to pour in the yogurt. After pouring in the yogurt, I'm going to just smoothen it on top like this. The yogurt, the milk and the oats soaked in it for overnight gives it a very nice and soft cheesecake like texture to it. Next, I'm going to pour in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, some maple syrup, as I said earlier, according to your taste, and finally some cinnamon powder. And finally, I'm going to top it up with some frozen berries. And my overnight oats is ready to go in the freezer now. So now I'm going to clip it up and store it in the refrigerator overnight. So I'll show you all the end result tomorrow morning. My oats were in the refrigerator overnight, and now I'm going to show you all how it looks. As you can see, it has soaked in all the milk and it has become a cake like texture. And now I'm going to scoop out some and show you all. As you can see, and if you want, you can carry it as it is in your lunch box. And now it is the time to enjoy. My overnight oats are ready, and friends, you all just saw how easy it was to prepare. For this recipe, instead of berries, you can use fruits like apple, banana, even go in for some nuts of your choice. And on that note, I'm going to end my video here. But before that, if you want to know more about Premium Gen products, check out the link in the description box below. And on that note, I'm going to end my video here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.